Okay, in this video we want to talk about why people succeed and why people fail. I get a brush out here, get my trusty out here, and so we're going to talk about why people succeed and why people fail. Okay, when we look at ourselves as a whole, we have a brain here. Let me draw my little stick person out here for you. Check this out. How you like my drawing so far? Pretty good. We've got 3 legs. Okay, but see, we've got a part of our brain here that does our thinking. So let's go over here. So we got 2 parts to our brain. Just think about it being split right in half. Okay, 2 parts of our brain. And on this part right here, this is the part that does our breathing and helps us just do anything that we do automatically. You know, when you grab for a glass of water, you don't think about it. You just do it. When you blink your eyes, you don't think about it. You just do that. And this is what this first part of the brain is. Part number 1. Number 2 does our thinking for us. Now, with our thinking, when we're thinking anything that's mentally blocking us in the past, such as somebody, if you had failure in the past, okay, if somebody told you you can't, okay, these are mental blocks that will block you. And so what happens is you get here and you come up with this beautiful idea, and it goes to the thinking part of the brain. And the brain thinks about it, and as it's taking on 1 or 2 of these thoughts over here, it kicks it back out and just drops it to the ground, and it never shows it to this part of the brain. Okay, the people that succeed understand this. And so when the idea comes in, they think about it, but then it goes right here, and they put into what we call action. Okay, and action equals success. And so I've broke this program down into actionable steps. So all you have to do is follow along and take the action so that you can enjoy the success. I want you to enjoy the success, okay? All right, let's move on.